Ladies and gentlemen, the American jury and Bulldog Nation, I'm going to put my Judge Bulldog hat on and just cover two Kentucky sentencing stories to just use them as examples of how absolutely the law, just injustice in the system. First, Miss Kentucky. A former Miss Kentucky who had admitted exchanging sexual photos with a teenage student when she was working as a West Virginia school teacher. She's 29 years old. Has received a 2-year sentence and an additional 10 years of supervised release and a sex offender. Sex offender thing, fine. Do you believe 2 years in jail? Really? They're letting people out left and right for this coronavirus. You get 2 years in jail for this? Now, the next one is even better. And Jerry Lundergan is a big shot Democratic operative in Kentucky, has been for years. He owns a catering service. By the way, they gave out 100,000 meals to people during the pandemic. Allison Grimes, by the way, I am not politically connected to either one of these people. She was a Democratic Secretary of State. Her father allegedly made some quote-unquote illegal campaign contributions to her. It went to federal court. Now, just think about that. He funneled allegedly $200,000 in campaign contributions to her. Now, this is his daughter. $200,000. He gets prosecuted for this and now has to serve 21 months in prison. So for making illegal campaign contributions to his daughter, $200,000, he has to serve 21 months in jail. Now, here's the drum roll, as you know I like to do, of these two sentences. Look what goes on in this country in Washington, D.C. Think of everything Hillary's done. Never prosecuted. Well, everything Comey's done. Not prosecuted. Strzok, Page, on and Clapper. People lying under oath to come on and on and on. And these people are serving. Judge Van Tatenhove, he ought to go sit in a jail cell for a day, 24 hours, and then see what that's really like. I really think every judge ought to go have to spend 24 hours in jail before they sentence anybody to jail, so they know fully like what it's like. Now, you know why this happened? Guess who Allison Grimes ran against? McConnell. Who controls the U.S. Attorney's Office? McConnell. Who got Van Tatenhove the federal appointment? McConnell. See, McConnell says, hey, this is what happens when you mess with me. It's just wrong. It's a political bunch of baloney. Now, those of you that say, well, Bulldog, if there were illegal campaign contributions, shouldn't he be punished? Sure. But remember, this is his daughter. He gave money to his daughter. This wasn't George Soros funneling money. When is George Soros ever going to be prosecuted? I'm using it as a comparative. It's just so wrong who goes to jail and who doesn't go to jail. And for what? This is a Bulldog. Every dog has their day. Standing up for two Democrats.